So, you just bought a radio, cheap radio from China, 7010B, and you get annoyed with this blinking power button. So, it's driving your attention when you're sitting, when you're driving at night especially. So, let me show you how to change the color and stay on the one color. I'm sorry about my bad English, this is my first video, so let me show you. You go to settings and you have to scroll. You don't have here but it is here. You just need to scroll. That's the problem. People don't know because the touch screen is not very sensitive. So I lick my finger and now I'm trying to scroll. See? And where it says backlight, auto, change on a color which you prefer, and you can take like red and it stays on red, green stays on green, you have blue also, yellow, purple, cayenne, and white. I usually stayed on white. I left it on white because it's not so sharp at night when I'm driving. The red and blue are very sharp and they are taking my attention when I'm driving, so I usually left on the white. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye.